is when the lights turn on, this is when the lights turn up. They won't be here. They're gone for Christmas vacation. But I think there's a kid upstairs who's home alone. But you know, I think we'll be okay.
But I can hear the TV on. And it's in Swedish.
It's in Swedish.
It's in Swedish. Wow.
I remember that episode.
All right, look. We're gonna have to break this door open.
Okay, let's give it a good swift kick. On 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Ow!
You stepped on a cat.
I didn't know who was there. I'm sorry.
How weird is that? All right.
Well, we're supposed to be quiet.
Try harder.
I accept them now. Thanks.
Well, heck with this. You said they were in Jamaica anyway, right? So let's just walk in. All right, look. All right, well, what are we gonna get? I think first thing we should get.
Let's take the Christmas tree.
That is a pretty Christmas tree. Okay, look, the angel on the top is singing.
I think I can.
It's also singing in Swedish. It's a Swedish family.
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, maybe they got some meatballs.
Oh, let's go take some from the kitchen.
Yeah. All right, great. You go do that.
Got it. I'll go right over here and I'll get in the drawer. It's all metal in here. It's rusty.
I thought it was a live pterodactyl.
It just so happens it's pterodactyl sausage.
Oh, fair enough. All right, excellent. Meatball number 1, going right in the sack. All right, whoa! Okay, great.
These don't make a sound when I throw them. They're light.
No.
This is a big one.
All right,
you can catch this one.
Let's have a big
Catch? I don't think you can handle this one.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Ow!
I dropped it twice. It was that heavy.
What is the matter with you? And now it's shooting bullets. Thank you. I didn't want to maim you for life.
Well, look, it's all right because I didn't even cry out in pain.
That is true.
In fact, I've been laughing at you the whole time.
Why would you laugh at me?
I can't stop.
I can't stand you anymore. We're supposed to be robbing a house. You're not taking this seriously.
I'm sorry.
This is why you flunked out of criminal school.
Yeah. All right, let's get the Christmas tree and get out of here.
Okay.
All right. Now look, don't step on the presents.
I think there was a pie in that.
Oh, that was pumpkin. That was my favorite. Look, all right. Look, here. You pick up that side. I'll pick up this side. Hopefully, all of these fragile ornaments don't all fall on the floor at the exact same time.
I really hope not.
Yeah, me too. Here we go. Well, I guess they didn't. But it sounds like you threw your back out again.
Oh, man. It is made
You
of
dropped
pie.
the tree!
Ah! Why did you have to...
It didn't shatter. I was just trying to tell you to be quiet. All right, you know what? This place is a bust. Let's just sneak out of here as quietly as possible. Hurry, faster!
Thank you.